Hi there, and welcome. In this short tutorial, we're going to walk you through a really useful feature in the Beautify theme by Clean Canvas. It's called image blending. So what does it do? Image blending lets you change the background color of your product images automatically. It works especially well if your product images have transparent backgrounds. Even if your images have a white or light background, you can still shift them to match your store's color palette. This helps create a clean, unified look that makes your product stand out. Now let's go over how to use it. First, open the Shopify Theme Editor and navigate to the theme settings. Then select Colors. Scroll to the bottom and enable image blending. Once it is enabled, you should select a background color. In order to prevent masking of the product, you need to use light, neutral tones, as they tend to blend best with product images. The image blending feature works best on images that have either a white or a transparent background. If your product images have a white or transparent background, you can simply select a color, and Beautify's powerful blending feature will add that to the image background. It is important to note that image blending will not work if cutout cards are enabled. Make the decision on whether you want to leverage the cutout cards option or image blending. Each offers a highly professional presentation of your products. Check out our video on the cutout cards feature to see how to use that option. If you opt for image blending, then just make sure you have disabled the cutout card setting. You do this by navigating to the page selector in the theme editor. Then select Collections and choose the default collection, or any collection that you have listed there. Once loaded, select Collection Products in the sidebar settings, and you will open all the related settings for collections. Now you can enable or disable the Show Cutout Card setting. Once you have disabled the setting, you can proceed back to the theme settings and continue to work on your image blending settings. Some other sections may also have the Show Cutout Card setting. Just be sure it is disabled wherever you are using image blending. If your image does not have a white or transparent background, do not worry. There is a way within your Shopify store that you can remove the image background. It is important to note that this functionality has its limitations, as it can only effectively work where there is a clear edge distinction between the product and the background. Busy images may not work well with this functionality. To get the full effect of this feature, convert your product images to a transparent background. In order to help you achieve this, Shopify now has a built-in tool that makes this relatively easy. You can do this by navigating to Products in your Shopify admin and choose the product you want to edit. Then select the image in that product that you want to change to a transparent background. This will open Shopify's native image editor. Select the Color Background option. Shopify will automatically isolate the background. Once this is done, choose the transparent option among the options. This is the checkerboard icon under the monochrome options. When it's done, you'll see a checkerboard pattern appear behind the product, and that means the image now has a transparent background. Click Save, and your product image is ready. And so that's it. Once everything is set up, your product images will automatically blend with your chosen background color, creating a more consistent and professional look. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy using Beautify by Clean Canvas, the gold standard in Shopify theme development and design.